You go try. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video, guys. It's officially Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day today and I am super excited. I am so excited, guys. Merry Christmas. If you're watching this video, Merry Christmas. There is this thing the Christmas spirit does. It wakes you up. I don't know if it's just me. Merry Christmas to you and yours from my family, and I wish you the best of the season. I wish you all the good stuff of the season. So what are you doing on Christmas Day? I'm going to run my own schedule by you. I'm going to cook and cook and cook today until I bend. Today is for cooking. Yes, Jeremy. So guys, back here, and what I'm going to be doing is loads and loads of cooking. Loads of cooking, guys. I just want to cook. That's all that'll be happening today. And then I'll spend quality time with my family. We'll spend quality time together, and the kids will unbox their gifts and all that good stuff. So to make my life easy, one thing I did yesterday was to prep basically everything. I prepped my salad because I didn't want to use store-bought salad. I prepped my salad myself. I cut some of the vegetables I've been needing, marinated the chicken. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you guys what I've done. Okay, here we go, guys. Firstly, I wasn't sure if I wanted to grill whole chicken. By the time I made up my mind as to this, you didn't find the one I would have loved in store. So this was what my husband saw in Asda. This one has pork, sage, and onion stuff. I just removed all that stuff and I'll marinate it by myself, like spice it again. Jeremy, I'm making a video. I'm making a video, please. I'll spice it again and then put it in the oven. I'll show you guys. Then I have this. I already marinated this. This is drumstick. I have some wings. I want to make wings here, and so smells nice, smells heavenly. Loads of spices. Here, what do I have here? This is hard chicken. I've also, spiced it. This is hard chicken. I want to make pepper soup. So this is assorted for pepper soup. I've already boiled it, steamed it up, and it's now left for me to make the pepper soup. So this is the base for my jollof rice, guys. You can see all of that. It's for the vegetables. I have this mixed bell peppers here. I chopped. I have some carrots. So this is part of my salad. This is not the complete thing. Here I have this iceberg lettuce. I have some cabbage and carrots, and then I have cucumber. Okay, I had to bring this thing out from the freezer because that fridge is almost freezing the veggies. You can see that it's freezing them. This was something I put in last night. The weather is making that fridge to behave like this, so I just brought it out a little bit, and I will re-regulate that fridge before putting it back again so it doesn't freeze my veggies. So this is what I have around here, guys. In anything you want to talk about this mini chopper, this is not a sponsored ad or anything. I got this mini chopper from Amazon. Anything you do, I think every woman, everybody that loves the kitchen should own one, because in minutes I just chopped my veggies. And there's another one I saw Aisha did with food processor. She used the food processor to process her, I think it was cabbage and carrots for shawarma. That food processor is just another thing that everybody should have. Like, I wanted to chop the cabbage. I remember Aisha's food processor. It is a goal. It is a goal. It is a goal. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Let's get cooking. showing me how I did the bread and tea. Plantain. My secret Santa at work gave me this gift, right? I didn't know how much I needed this gift until now. Before now, this is what I use in frying, and it's not so good for my pot. But with this, I have a better silicone heat resistant set to cook with. I have a different set here, but they are small. You get this one. See, big now that I'm frying. Oh, let me bring it up. Oh, yay! So I'm going to use this to fry now. It has a masher, it has spaghetti spoons, it has a very deep cooking spoon. Very beautiful. I love. Guys, at this point I'm so tired, but let me show you guys how far I've gone. Let me show you guys all the things I've cooked. So far so good. Okay, chicken is ready. I have some here in this bag. I did some peppered chicken and the dry ones depending on preference. I fried dodo. I fried. Everyone I finished eating, including myself. So this is our chicken, yeah, whole chicken. This is uba, yep. And jollof rice is ready. Smoky jollof rice. I went to Harvard. It's ready. You see? Here my gas is a mess, so forget it. Pepper soup. Let me hold this and show you. Pepper soup is getting ready. It's already boiled. It's just for me to put in all the ingredients I'm doing and the vegetables, and this one is ready. So that's pepper soup. And then I still have some more chicken here. Some more peppered chicken. And then our fried rice is cooking. Guys, I had to use this pot to make this fried rice. If you've been following me on this channel, you know that this pot is my testimony pot. I'm not losing it anytime soon. So I'm using it to make the fried rice. And fried rice is also getting ready. I fried the rice and I'm cooking it up now. Yep. So far so good, guys. See you guys. Okay, your drink is true. Let me get you your drink, but finish up your food, then I'll bring out the drink. Okay, that's you.
It is so done.
Yeah, I know that he said that, but once the drink comes out now, Jasmine will just drink up and she won't eat anymore. So let's her eat, okay? Everyone needs to eat.
Everyone drink.
Yeah, when you finish your food, you have your drink, okay? Finish yours. Focus on finishing yours. Whoever finishes theirs, you have your drink.
Yeah.
Alright, so finish your food, okay? Focus on water.
No.
But you're not eating your food, that. Are you? I love you too, darling. I love you too.
So which one is mine now? Which one is yours? These two are mine?
Those two for Jasmine.
And what these two are for water?
This one is for Charity. And this is for
So
Jason.
why did Jasmine get two?
Because she's a baby, really.
Can we open? Is it baby stuff?
Yeah.
Did you get? Wait, can I open it?
Open yours.
Yeah. What is this? Lego. Oh, my favorite. Lego monster truck. Oh, grave digger.
It's a grave digger.
Yeah. And even got a book too. Can I try? What the?
Jasmine, let me help you to open it.
What's that?
It's a microphone.
Mommy.
Yes.
Give me my remote control. Give me my remote control. This is not giving me my
Should I help?
Remember.
Jasmine loves her gifts.
That's the kind of microphone that somebody in my school.
Hey,
That's the kind of
please leave it. Do you want me to help you, Jasmine?
Yeah.
So,
Why does it don't work? Why does it just not work?
all right, Jasmine, record.
No. La 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 la
I think
la.
it's batteries.
But mine does not. Open mine. Yeah. Does it
You want to sing the yard?
Oh, is that my charger?
Yeah, that's your charger. Jason, do you like your gift?
Yeah, what kind of open it? Open it.
Hey,
Jamil.
your name is?
Jamil.
How old are you?
I ordered me.
You're what?
Me.
Can you sing Baby Shark for us? Use your microphone now. Use your microphone, Auntie. Auntie, use your microphone now. Jasmine, did anybody drink Jason's Coke?
Me.
It was you.
Yeah, that is the Halloween party.
You drank it in the Halloween party. Where is Jason?
I left.
You laughed. He left.
And he won. Help! And he won. Help me also.
And it was more. But Jasmine, how can you drink your brother's Coke and you're feeling very cool as in you're maintaining beauty?
Because